Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Hi guys, Dave Wright here from davewrightonline.com. I've just taken a break from blogging. I'm going to show you out my view onto my terrace here. Just bear with me, camera's a little bit shaky. Okay, this is the view that I get every day. They're just filling the pool up this morning. It's going to be ready for the weekend. Nice, beautiful sunny day. A bit different than where I used to live. I used to live in the UK, working in the wind and rain as a carpenter. I'm now blogging online, and in an online living, blogging about the things that interest me. If you want to know how to make real online income and live any way you like, then check out the link below this video now. It's a set up for you blogging system that lets you write about the things that interest you and earn 100% commissions for doing it. Anyone can learn how to do this with the online video and audio training that's provided with the blogging system. So join my growing team now with the link below this video, and let me show you how you too can generate your online income from blogging about the things that interest you. Check it out now. It's a free video in the link in the description box below this video. Thanks for watching.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.